Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Wi-Fi calling and Wi-Fi SMS on your Android phone. So to do this, you have to just go to your settings bar here, and once you go to the settings bar, you have to go to search bar, and inside the search bar you have to search for Wi-Fi calling, right? And just look for it, and this can only happen if your phone support Wi-Fi calling, right? And generally this is a new feature and it has came to our phone, and when we just go to call section here, generally we find, and if you're not able to find the Wi-Fi calling, then you have to just for the connection and sharing, and once you go to the connection sharing, okay, so I'll just turn off my airplane mode here, and here you can get this option of Wi-Fi calling, right? In your case, in my case I'm not able to find it, but in your case you will find it. You have to just turn on the toggle on, that's it. So you have to just change the calling preference and it should be Wi-Fi preferred, and then you can get it, right? So this is only one way to do it, and it's really interesting and very easy thing to do. And if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.